Are you one? Are you two? You three? Are you four? You five? Are you six? How many gifts you want? Six? Yeah, you gifts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Just open it. It's
First,
all yours.
I want to open this one.
Okay.
Let's see what it is.
Can you show me?
Show me, show me. Oh!
What
My
is this?
God.
Unboxing yellow, well done.
Alright.
Can I open?
Yeah, let's see another one first.
Okay.
Let's see
Can I
what
put
it
this
is.
bag here? Let's see other big one. Game.
You like it?
Yes. I
Next one.
played this before.
Okay.
Next one.
Put the bag there. Next one. Puzzles.
Show me,
What's
show
it?
me, show me, show me.
Puzzle.
See what's next.
What is next? Rings.
Open it, open it.
Here's
Show
the
me.
rings.
Stick. Rings.
Oh my God.
Wow, it's
How
beautiful.
many rings are there?
Show me, show me.
34.
Oh my God, 34? Wow.
I'm gonna put this back in.
Okay, what's next?
More stickers.
Show me. Okay.
Erasers.
Okay. Next one.
Cards.
Yeah. Open
One
it,
from
open
mom,
it.
dad, one from your sister.
This one.
This
One is for your sister. From your sister.
I love
My sister.
my sister.
Yeah.
Aww. Thank you, Sarah. Auntie Charlie.
Okay, just leave it like this. Let's see another one. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
I know which one is from you and mom.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I love my daughter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Show me next one.
Let's see what's next.
Scissors.
Okay.
You want it, right?
You need this?
Yes. Glue. I need it.
Okay.
Sharpener.
You need this.
Sunglasses. I of course need it, but I don't need it.
Okay.
Glue.
Okay, next.
Nothing.
Next.
Oh, you already opened it.
Oh, dang it.
This is gift number 6.
I don't know. It's a mystery. Binoculars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open it.
I will try.
Something special for you. From mommy.
Wow. There is toys. What is next one? Next one. 7.
Something surprise.
I don't know.
This is silver coin for you from mommy and
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, it's real one.
Show me, show me.
From India.
Yeah.
Happy?
Happy? Show me
How's your
again.
birthday now?
Great.
Great.
This